Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with the latest edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. We bring some latest WWE news and update including Bayley wants to face Lita, while Paul Heyman on Liv Morgan and more other fresh WWE stories. So watch this video till the end to not miss out any important WWE updates. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 5. Bayley revealed Lita as her dream opponent. In the recent interview, Bayley talked about several topics including WWE's Women Division future. During that interview, she also took a name of her dream opponent as she would like to wrestle. Recently, Bayley lost her momentum in WWE because she lost SmackDown Women's Championship to Sasha Banks and then saw poor performance in Survivor Series 2020. While talking about WWE's Women's Division future, Bayley said that the rising talents like Billie Kay and Peyton Royce are still in focus. Bayley said that Peyton Royce will get into spotlight and post in near future. She also said that she would like to wrestle against Peyton Royce at pay-per-view. Here is what Bayley told. I knew Billie from before. I don't know Peyton at all, but she was awesome and super sweet. Once I saw her get in the ring, I was like, wow, you are incredible. I have always had a high on for her, so she is so incredible. She just hasn't had the time to really show. And then even when the Iconics were the tag team champions, she just hasn't had the spotlight yet. I have accomplished a lot more than her, and I am sure she wants to do everything that I have done. I knew that in the heart is still reacting because I am role model in WWE. I am the first Grand Slam champion. I would love to one day get in the ring to have one-on-one with Peyton Royce in one of pay-per-view. Bayley had a right to work with any WWE superstar in her whole WWE career. There is an impressive list of Bayley's opponents in her successful career. In the list, big names like Charlotte Flair, Sasha Banks, Asuka, Natalya and many more. But when she asked about her dream opponent, then Bayley took name of her childhood hero, Lita. Here is Bayley's words. Lita has always been a dream opponent just because she is somebody I never been in the ring with. She's crazy to say now. But we've been to 10 women's tag team matches before, and this was the right after Revolution. There was no incense. She did moonsault, I did elbow off the top, and it did twist of fates. It was so crazy, but I want to match against her because she is the one of the helped me realize my dreams. Right now, Bayley is all set to get herself into feud with Bianca Belair on SmackDown. WWE just started this feud, and we could see amazing matches between these two talented superstars in coming time, and it may start from TLC pay-per-view. Number 4 is Paul Heyman talked on Liv Morgan. In the recent documentary, Paul Heyman discussed what it was like while working with Liv Morgan. Recently, both Liv Morgan and Paul Heyman are on the same brand, that is WWE Raw. And we knew that how Paul Heyman was involved with his input in the WWE product. Paul Heyman also talked about which thing attracted him towards Liv Morgan's character. He believes that Liv Morgan's quality of not wanting to be labeled is made her unique character. Here is what Paul Heyman says. What did I see in Liv Morgan? A confused kid who can't find her way in the life. That was the dreams, that was the defined in her head, and she can't articulate and convey to her friend or the masses. But is chasing an incredible dream that only she herself can truly understand. There are so many people out there just like that. My daughter is 18 and she always tells me, stop trying to define me. And that's what we, as an entertainment company, try to do. Try to define every character is absolute. Here is the expectation that defines a rule because Liv Morgan can't define and she doesn't want to be. Because no one in age wants to be labeled, placed on them. Paul Heyman also feels very proud about Liv Morgan and Lana when they are involved in a storyline in 2019. It was Paul Heyman who was responsible for Liv Morgan's addition to Lana and Bobby Lashley's storyline. Here is what Paul Heyman said about that storyline. The ahs and twists and turns and as it play out as well as it did and Liv and Lana delivering the way they did. That's high and you get as writer, director, producer, whatever the title is that afford to the genre of entertainment head. To this day, I haven't been able to convey to anybody that haven't lived themselves. When Paul Heyman was executive director of Raw, he always focused on new talents like Liv Morgan, Lana, Aleister Black, Buddy Murphy and Apollo Crews. He always believes in long-term plans and new talents as she is as a future top star and WWE World Champions. Number 3 is Biggie get a gift from Becky Lynch. For the last few years, WWE made Becky Lynch a tough and ruthless fighter from meek and softy babyface. Fans also like Becky Lynch's character and the push that she received from WWE. In the recent interview, the New Day talked about going out and explore cities during foreign tours. Xavier said that Becky Lynch was a good to travel with and go out to explore new things on foreign tours. Biggie also recalled the recent hilarious incident during the tour. Here is what Biggie revealed. I guess it's cheeseburger with macaroni and cheese on it. I have another friend, Nicole, who sends things on Instagram cheesy poll or cheesy content. I don't eat as much as cheesy as I used to. I don't have a sweet tooth, but I love to melted cheese. I am trying to cut back. Anyways, I think it's because I have been a couple of vegan spots and with Becky Lynch, and I think it was bearing having a conversation about vegans or something. And I pulled it up. This was non-vegan food, and it was the exact cheeseburger with the macaroni and cheeses on. And she said, "Look at this beautiful picture. If this picture existed and we blow up, I would put on my wall, something like that." And lo and behold, like a few weeks later, I got this picture in the mail, and took me a second and to realize what's going on. Then I texted her, "Did you send this to me?" And she said, just laughed her off. And it was funniest thing in the whole world, because I said it, I put it up on the wall, and that's very much her sense of humor. That is what very here. So this is just a small but interesting things that we think all you should know about it. Number 2 is Jeff Hardy's health update. In tonight's episode on Raw, we saw the Symphony of Destruction match between Jeff Hardy and Elias. The finish of this match was very scary one. Jeff Hardy delivers Swanton bomb off the top rope onto Elias outside ring on the table, but landed on the Swanton bomb was around the corner of the table with steel steps around. Jeff Hardy landed hard on a steel step and his head hit on the steps. He also later pinned Elias and picked up a win in that match. Fans started to ask about Jeff Hardy's current health condition on social media, but good thing is he walked out of the arena with his own. Now WWE rumors stated that as per the backstage report, Jeff Hardy is okay after that scary spot. After this latest WWE news, fans can take a sign of relief. Jeff Hardy escaped from the serious injury, and maybe this could be the last Symphony of Destruction match in WWE at least for some time. There is still no update on Elias that how he feels right now. But if Jeff Hardy is okay, then maybe Elias also fine and had no issue of injury. Number 1 is Leon Ruff engaged with WWE referee AJ Smith. Leon Ruff surprised everyone few weeks back when he defeated Johnny Gargano and became NXT North American Champion. Now he announced on social media that he is engaged with NXT referee AJ Smith. Both Leon Ruff and AJ Smith shared photo of each other on social media. Fans also getting a glimpse of both of NXT backstage together. AJ Smith also posted wholesome images with her fiancé on social media. NXT North American Champion himself reacted on his fiancé's post and said that, "Love of my life, I can't wait." Now Leon Ruff is all set to defend his championship against Johnny Gargano and Damian Priest in triple threat match at NXT TakeOver War Games. This is all from our edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. Hope you will enjoy it. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notifications. So see you guys in our next video.